Hi everyone, today's story is Rainforest Romp. In South American forests, the trees grow tall and thick. So many creatures live there, it's hard to count them all. The tapir is a mammal, it's hooved and rather stout. It sniffs for tasty plant life with its clever, stretchy snout. The giant armadillo has skin like an armored scales. Whatever wants to munch it just hurts its teeth and it fails. The jaguar is a great big cat that climbs and stalks and swims. It prowls around the jungle prey on stealthy, silent limbs. This snake is an anaconda. Be careful of it, please. Don't let it try and cuddle you. It might just start to squeeze. Beware the poisonous tree frogs. Although it's cute to see, its color is a warning which tells us, let me be. These beaky birds are toucans. They like to live in twos. For eating fruit and insect, those bills are good to use. Sloths move very slowly. How shy it seems to be. It likes to live alone and hardly ever leaves the tree. Here are howler monkeys. They hang around up high. From far across the forest, you'll hear them make their cry. Our rainforest romp is over. Didn't we see a lot? Toucans, frogs, and prowling cats. What else did we spot? The end.